going on, guys? Got a Miller Marine Tuesday afternoon after Labor Day weekend. Started cranking this whaler. Might be ripping the floor out because it's all rotted. So still waiting on the customer to get back to us on that. Getting power heads pulled on the black fin. New ones are on our way in. So pulling the old ones. Hell's band for trim motor and a few other little things. We've done a bunch of stuff on this boat already. Power pole we did. Installed GPS, new gauges and all that. Got this old hydrosport in. Repowered this boat a few years ago. So he's in for his yearly service. Full service. Little Maverick's done. Put a bimini top on it. So that's ready for pickup. I got word that a fuel pump showed up for one motor. So hopefully we'll get the other one in soon. So that's good news. Hopefully get that thing out of here. Blue boat's getting ready to get the tank glassed in. Possibly new project. I don't know. We'll see. We got Jeff in here priming. Console's going to be going back in the Intrepid here soon. Hopefully by Wednesday we'll yank that out and get the console that's sitting over here back in it and get that one rigged out and gone. So that's where we're going right now. A little slow today just because it's Tuesday after Labor Day. Everybody's moving a little slow today. So, but we'll be cranking again. Stay tuned.